Creative polling gives your students a canvas to express themselves beyond multiple choice and short answers. Students can type a response and support it with pictures and even annotations. To get started, click the Add Media button, then Apps, and then Polling. It will open in a new tab. Select Creative from your polling dashboard. Give your poll a title, then type your question or prompt. You can even leave it blank if you'd rather give a verbal prompt. From the toolbox, you can add more questions, change the poll type and background color, add pictures, text, and annotations. The students will see everything you add to the canvas, so keep that in mind when adding objects. When the poll is ready to go, click Launch to get started. The launch screen will display the join URL to give to your students to participate in the poll. You can also see how many responses have been collected so far. Click the View Responses button to see the responses. Student names are hidden by default, so click Names to display them if you want to see them. You can enlarge the responses by clicking them if you want to review them as they come in. To end the polling session, click Stop Poll. On the next screen, you can edit the title of the poll, review the responses, view the poll, or even delete it. If you prefer to review the responses later, polls are saved in the cloud, so you can revisit them and even reuse them as often as you wish. As you create new polls, they will be saved on the dashboard. To view responses, click the three dots on the poll you want to review and select View Response Sets. If you have launched a poll more than once, you will see each set of responses. Find the one you want to see and click View Responses.